Every day we hope and pray one day we'd wake up and this war would go away. We hear the news, we see the times. It seems it may be here for the rest of our lives. Well, some may be right and some may be wrong, but we all love this land that we call home. And only love can heal a nation, only truth can make us strong. Standing up for things that we believe is the reason we were born. Only God can bring salvation to this worn and weary land. So divided we will fall, but united we will stand. We've got hopes, we got dreams, we got everything in this world we could ever need. We got freedom, but it came with a price, all because someone else made the sacrifice. So as we search to find what's right, there might come a day we'll have to stand up and fight. But only love can heal a nation, only truth can make us strong. Standing up for things that we believe is the reason we were born. Only God can bring salvation to this worn and weary land. So divided we will fall, but united we will stand. We search for the answers we don't know, but there's a truth down deep inside us, we just have to let it go. Only love can heal a nation, only truth can make us strong. Standing up for things that we believe is the reason we were born. Only God can bring salvation to this worn and weary land. So divided we will fall, yeah, divided we will fall, but united we will stand.